Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about basics of marketing which is relevant for your IBPS SO marketing examination as well as for RRB examination. Today you are watching this video on Knowledgist, which is India's first and only dedicated channel for lateral entry into banking segment, and we are dedicated towards the quality content. Success is a thing which you will find at Knowledgist. For that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to join our dedicated Telegram channel. Link for the same is given in the description box. So now we will move on towards our topic, which is marketing. I will tell you the concept about marketing so that you will never forget what marketing is. Don't try to cram the topic, try to understand the concept behind this. So, marketing is all about let your customer know about your product. Let the customer is aware about your product so that whenever there is a need for this type of product, they will came to recognize in mind about only your product. This is what about marketing. So now we are reading the definition of marketing is that they are telling that marketing is about planning and executing the development, pricing, distribution and promotion of a product and service to satisfy the needs of your customer. So one of the question which must come into your mind is that why we are doing marketing. This is for the purpose of customers. Customer today is the king of the market. Once your customer is satisfied, they are aware about your product will run for longer period of time. Every producer is running for the profits, running for the sales, but when your customer is happy with the product, they will buy it again and again. This is the basic crux of marketing. And for marketing, what you need to know about is that what is the needs of your customer. Once you will aware about the needs of the customer, you will jump into the next thing, that you try to find solutions for the needs. That is, you try to find solutions to meet those needs, and that solutions too must be customer focused. Whatever the solutions a marketer is looking for, the solutions must be customer focused. There is a famous writer whose name is Dr. Philip Kotler. He has given a definition on marketing. He says that marketing is a science art of exploring, creating and delivering value to satisfy the needs of a target market at a profit. In his definition, he tried to focus only on three things. One is the needs of the customer. Second is that once you know about the needs, you must have to satisfy the needs. And third one is that you won't forget about the producer is the person who is running for their profits. So the third thing is that you must be aware about the profits of the producers. Now I have tell you about the concept what marketing is, how marketing works. The next concept which comes into your mind, which is must to come into your mind, is that why we are doing marketing. We studied about marketing, yes, we know about marketing, what marketing is. The next thing you must know about why we are doing marketing. What are the reason, why should we will not do any other things, why only marketing? So you must know, you must be aware about why we are doing marketing. The first and foremost things why we are doing marketing is to attract customer. I have highlighted the word attract customers. The word marketing, the basic crux of marketing is that we are trying to attract our customers towards our product, because product is the key element. We are trying to focus our customers, attract our customers towards our product. Second thing is that we try to stand alone values of prospects and customers through content with long-term goals of demonstrating product value, strengthening brand loyalty, and ultimately we try to increase our sales. This is the second most basic thing we try to do through marketing. And third one is that we try to let our customers know when, where and how you will get our product, so that it will be easy for the customer next time to come. When it comes to their mind to buy about a product, they will come to directly to our product. This is what marketing, the power of marketing. You let your customers know into their mind that this product is available at this place. Whenever they have a need, they will directly come to this place to buy our product. This is the crux of marketing. Next, till now we are able to understand about the what marketing is, why there is a need of marketing. Now the next topic we are going to discuss is about types of marketing. There are various types of marketing, and that is very important and interesting topic that you must know about. In which situation which type of marketing is going to be utilized by the marketer. Every situation is not same. In every situation same method cannot be applied. So this is how types of marketing works. So first of all, there is internet marketing. Internet marketing in itself is saying that when you have to utilize internet to inspire the customers. This is internet marketing. Second one is search engine optimization, abbreviated as SEO, search engine optimization. Let me tell you about this concept. Search engine optimization is a technique. When you go to a search engine, you will click on a single ad, the engine itself read your data and start providing related ads more and more. He himself take data from the one click of yours. One of your single click will let him know which kind of a product you are looking for, and he will start showing you the product related to the same in different advertisements. This is search engine optimization. A marketer is going to utilize the search engine for their sales maximization, for the better utilization of their sales. This is search engine optimization. Next one we are going to talk about is blog marketing. Nowadays blogging is one of the famous thing. People used to write different blogs. Now what marketer has do, they choose these peoples to write blog about their product, so that people will be aware about their product. Once people are aware about through blogs about the product, they will start buying the same. Next we are going to talk about is social media marketing, very popular nowadays through Facebook, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn. The links for the product is put on those social media handles, and people click on the same, they will start reading about the product and start buying the product. This is the simplest form nowadays prominent. Next one we have print marketing. Print marketing works against newspapers and magazines. Through newspapers and magazines, when your marketer tries to reach n number of peoples or a target market, so that they will know about the product, they will do it through print marketing. Next we have search engine marketing. Priorly I have told you about search engine optimization. In search engine optimization, the search engine itself take your data and start showing you relevant ads. But in search engine marketing, what happens, the marketer pays some of the amount to the search engine to provide links in his pages for the better exposure to the audience. In this what happens, the marketer pays to the search engine to create a link, and the search engine will give this link on different pages. People will click on that link and start reading about your product. It is another terms we can say that pay per click. Another term is that pay per click. In pay per click, what happens, when you click on a particular ad or about a particular topic, the search engine will get amount from the same. But on the other hand, the another task of marketer is happening on the another side, is that the people are knowing about the product. This is the basic reason behind this in search engine marketing. So search engine marketing and search engine optimization, they both are different things. Now we'll move on to video marketing. Video marketing is one of the very easiest method. In this you will demonstrate your product through a video, and it will reach to the different buyers. Then we have influencer marketing. We have heard many times that people are influenced with a such celebrity, such personality. So once they are influenced with this personality or celebrity, if this personality will tell you to buy the certain product, people start buying this. In India this is a trend. People used to follow the same what their celebrities, what their influencers says. So influencer marketing is like what, when one person who is your influencer will tell you about a product, and you will start buying the same product. This is a kind of a marketing, and which is very popular nowadays in India, because people are blind. They used to buy what their influencer is saying, but behind the scene they don't realize that the influencer is being paid for the same. Okay, so next one is relationship marketing. Under relationship marketing, what happens, the relationship manager will categorize peoples into different groups, and then he will choose strategies according to these segments. So ultimately the basic thing in relationship marketing is that they try to segment customers to build loyalty. Different types of segments is being made to directly hit the strategies of marketing to that segments only. This is relationship marketing. Then next we have guerrilla marketing. One of the very easiest way to learn the guerrilla marketing is that how guerrilla utilize the minimum space into maximum utilization. Guerrillas has limited space, but they utilize it by their turns, by their moves into the maximum. So under guerrilla marketing, what happens is that they try to utilize minimum resources at their maximum level. If I'll sum up this into a single line, that maximum results from minimum resources. People or the marketer try to get maximum results through their minimum resources. This is what only about guerrilla marketing. Next we are moving to outbound marketing. Outbound marketing itself says that something which goes to outside. When your marketer itself goes to outside and try to attract customers, okay, through TV, radio, digital display devices, through these modes. When your marketer try to come to the customers, this is about outbound marketing. The reverse of the same is inbound marketing. What happens in inbound marketing? Once your customer is aware about the product, they themselves come to the marketer and want to know more about the product and want to buy that product. So in inbound marketing, it is directly reverse to outbound marketing. In inbound marketing, the customer itself is coming to the marketer. Okay, this is about inbound marketing. Then we have green marketing. The name itself is suggesting that something which is for the environment. What happens there is the marketer try to use some tips and techniques or the methods which is beneficial for the environmental, that try to eliminate the ill effects of the new techniques of marketing. To they what they did that they wanted to promote their product in such a way that it will not harm the environment, ultimately a savior for the environment. This is about green marketing. Last is content marketing. When you are putting some content over the different places and people are attracted because of your content, this is all about types of marketing. Now till now we are able to understand three concepts: what marketing is, why there is a need of marketing, and third one is types of marketing. Under types of marketing we have studied various types of marketing, few like guerrilla marketing, inbound marketing, outbound marketing, then we have green marketing is also there. So these are few types of marketing. Now moving on to the branding versus marketing. See, there are two terms. One is branding, one is marketing. Branding is about defining yourself, who you are as a company. First of all, you try to tell about yourself, who you are, for what purpose you are working, what is your mission, your values are what makes you special and unique. It's your key brand element like your logo, your website, your brand style guidelines. These are about branding. You are telling people that what you are, how you are, what is your logo, what is your name, is all about branding. Branding, on the other hand, is the marketing practice of actively shaping your brand. It is like marketing, but it is different from marketing. How it is different from marketing, I'll tell you in the next slide. But marketing is somewhat a thing where you are telling how, what, why you are, what is your name, what is your logo, what is your presence, is all about branding. Then the question comes into your mind is that you are aware about what marketing is, you are aware about what branding is. So first of which comes first? The next question which comes to your mind is that whether marketing is first, whether branding is first. So think logically, think about that. If people won't know about your name, that so XYZ is your name, will they able to market your name? If the people are not aware about the product of Nestle, they are not aware about what Nestle is, will you be able to market Nestle? Will you be able to apply any of your marketing strategies to Nestle? So this is very logical. Just put a little focus on your mind that first there is branding, thereafter it comes marketing. Because you can do marketing only when you have a product, you have a name of the product, you have a logo of the product. If you don't have these three things, how will you market the product? So first you have to brand your product, first you have to give a name to your product, a logo to your product, a physical presence to your product. Thereafter a marketer is able to market the product. So the answer for the same question is that first you have to, first there comes branding, first there comes branding, thereafter it comes to your marketing. Okay, next is your marketing, but first there should be branding. Okay, the next question, I will now differentiate between branding and marketing. Branding is why you are present here. Marketing is how I will let the customers know about this brand. Branding is long term, because once a brand is established, like Nestle is once established, it will go longer and longer. But marketing is short term. Reason being, there are various methods, there are various tips and tricks which are used for marketing. Once you use a single method, next time you are going to use another method. That's why marketing is short term, because you will not utilize, you will not use a single method every time. That won't work in that case. Next is branding is macro, it is at short large level, and marketing is at short level. Branding defines trajectory, which means that branding is showing you a path. It is giving you a light that where you have to go, which direction you have to go. Marketing is, it is tips and tricks how you will go. Then we have branding builds loyalty, because once a person is fluent about the brand, they are going to loyal with the brand, they will utilize the brand, they will use the brand again and again. Marketing generates response. Marketing is all about, once people are aware about this, they will again and again come to you. It is generating a response. Now, the most important topic, we are going to talk about 7 P's of marketing. Through P's, I am telling about principles of marketing. What principles is, when you are going to do marketing, before this you must know now how we are going to do, which what are the methods of marketing. So 7 principles of marketing, which is very important. In today's session, I am only going to give you a short brief about the 7 principles of the marketing. In the coming next lecture, I will discuss 7 P's of marketing in detailed format, because these are very important for the upcoming examinations. So we will discuss 7 P's in the next video in detail. For today's video, I am going to tell you that priorly there were only 4 P's. That is product, price, location and promotion. Product, price, place and promotion. Now later on, with 4 P's, 3 P's more were added to there. That is people, process and physical evidence. People, process and physical evidence. Priorly there were only 4 P's. Now there are 7 P's. Let me give you a short brief about these 7 P's. When you are doing marketing, you must know about for which product you are going to talk about. What is your product? Next is how you will promote the product. Once you are going to promote the product, what should be the price of the product? You are aware about what is the price. Will you be aware about where you have to market the product? Next is place. Place, after that, for whom you people are going to market that product. People should be whom? Who are the people? Next is process, and last is physical evidence. So that's all about for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss the 7 P's in a detailed form. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Knowledgist. Don't forget to join our team, dedicated team. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel, at which you are going to receive the PPTs and PDFs. Thank you so much for today's lecture. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned with me for the next lecture. We are going to cover the entire marketing in such a easy way. It is going to be memorable for you. Thank you so much.